welcome viewers. I am Plea and you're watching NewsX. We're getting some fresh information. The Supreme Court has now permitted the RG hospital rape murder victims' parents to pursue their writ petition before a single judge bench of the Calcutta High Court. They have sought, in fact, further probe by the CBI into their daughter's homicidal death to unravel alleged role of persons other than convict Sanjay Roy, who was in fact earlier granted life imprisonment by the Sealdah court. Meanwhile, my colleague Sambhav Sharma with us on the broadcast with more details. Sambhav, over to you. Walk our viewers to the latest updates. What exactly has been observed by the court? It was a bench that was led by the CJI.
Well, absolutely. The matter was there before the Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna, wherein the Chief Justice of India disposed of the petition of the parents of RG rape and murder victim and also allowed the parents to pursue their petition, their plea before the single judge bench of the High Court. So in one way, it is a relief to the parents because they are seeking for a reinvestigation into the this whole probe. Reinvestigation is demanded by the parents of the victim, and earlier also Supreme Court has declined to entertain this petition, this time disposed of the petition because senior advocate Karna Nandi appeared and said that there should be a kind of reinvestigation, to which the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta also raised certain concerns, and later on the bench asked the parents to pursue their petition before the High Court and disposed of the petition from the Supreme Court. This is the latest which we are breaking here at NewsX when it comes to RG rape and murder case. And remember, the trial court in Sealdah, Kolkata had life imprisonment to the only convict in this matter, Sanjay Ghosh, and now this petition for reinvestigation into the whole matter. It is to be seen when the parents are going to appeal this in the High Court, Calcutta High Court. And also, see, in this case, the Central Bureau of Investigation and others have approached the High Court seeking death penalty, capital punishment for the convict Sanjay Roy. And that's also there, and now the parents will go for the High Court to reinvestigate this whole matter. So the epicenter of the whole case is going to be the High Court, the Calcutta High Court.
Indeed, Sambhav, thank you for joining us. We also have with us Advocate Satyam Rajput, Supreme Court lawyer. Sir, thank you so much for taking our time speaking to NewsX. Interesting observations have been made in the Apex Court today. The court has permitted the victims' parents to pursue their writ petition before a single judge bench of the Calcutta High Court. Meanwhile, they've sought a further probe by the CBI into their daughter's death to unravel, the role of other persons other than Sanjay Roy. But earlier itself, we'd seen that Sanjay Roy had been granted life imprisonment. And but that's not all. In fact, after the Sealdah court's verdict, the CBI did in fact move the High Court, for the death penalty. So where do you see the case headed towards? What can we expect next?
Let me tell you one thing. The way the Supreme Court disposed of and asked the parent to go to the High Court, because of the original petition is pending before the High Court of the Kolkata High Court. That is, you cannot approach Supreme Court again and again for the same matter, and Supreme Court is not the basic court where each and everything can be filed. So on that basis, Supreme Court humbly disposed of the petition and asked the parents to go back to the High Court so that they could hear the matter. As far as the other things are concerned, so let me tell you, there are loopholes that has been accepted by the state as well, that has been accepted by the Solicitor General as well, the matter. The Supreme Court will hear the matter from 13th May onwards. Then they will go into the depth of the matter. Now coming to the another issue, only convict is the Sanjay Roy, which has been given the life imprisonment by the lower court. Now this is we have to see that what is the next course of action, because parents of the victim are demanding for the reinvestigation. If there will be a reinvestigation, then there will be a lot of things and a lot of issues has to come over. So now we have to see what will happen in the court. But the basic court is the Kolkata High Court and the original jurisdiction before the Kolkata High Court. So that is why Supreme Court asked the petitioners to approach the Kolkata High Court for the matter.
All right, sir. Thank you so much for joining us on News.